Hey there, let's turn this isometric view into 3D in AutoCAD. You can see we have the front view, two dimension, and the top view, and the right view. Let's start by drawing the easiest way, the front view. We have 3, add 3, 2, 1.5. Now we want to go 1 from here, and that's it, the connection of it. Now the circle, the midpoint of the circle. It's the intersection between this line and this line. We have the radius 0.5. Circle, radius 0.5. That's it, we have the front view, as you can see. Let's extrude it. It's 2. Let's extrude it 2. All of them. Select, join, enter, then select, extrude by 2. If you go to the 3D view, you will see our volume. It's made into 3D. Let's subtract now. As you can see, if we go conceptual, the hole, we don't have the hole, so we want to subtract in order to have this hole. Let's say subtract the outer one, the inner one, enter. Go back to see shaded and shaded view. You see we have our form in 3D. Now let's rotate it, 3D rotate, by using the 3D rotate. 3D rotate, select, enter, press on the red one, and let's select it upright. And as you can see now, you can see we implemented this isometric view into 3D AutoCAD in the easiest, simplest way. Thank you for watching. Bye.